Hi guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. So today in this video, I'll show you how to change Discord name. But before you continue this video, I hope you like, comment and subscribe to support this channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, go to your Discord and go ahead to your account by tap the account icon at the bottom right of your screen. And now in an option you will see account, just go ahead. After, tap on name here under username option. And now just think of a snazzy new name and tap it on it. If you think it's enough, tap on done button. And yeah, you are all set. You can see it here. So guys, just it. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this video will help you. Don't forget to leave your comment in the column below. I'll see you soon in the next one, and good luck.